Well, if you saw yesterday's video, you know I spent the whole day figuring out the best way to get just one rafter up. Unfortunately, I spent the whole day just with one. After I ended the video yesterday, I was looking around and I realized where I put my rafter seats, where I put those, wrong spot. This one here should be flush with this outside for the wall. And I don't know exactly how I screwed that up. All right, this is what we're looking like now. So I'm gonna go make this one and then we'll try to get that up and see where we go from there. All right, there she is. Smooth enough, good enough. And now we're gonna go make the mortise. All right, we got this drawn all out. We're gonna get the chainsaw, cut this middle section out, and we'll have the mortise. And we'll drill a little hole through the side, be ready to go. All right, there she is, all done. Ready to go up. On to the next one. All right, they're all made up. All right, number 2 is up. The only next thing I'm gonna do, screw them so they're stuck together, so they're a little bit more stable, because it's hard for me to get anything done during the week. But I'm gonna try to get out here, and I got 2, 3 more on this side. 2 more 5x5s and a 3x5 at the end. So that's what we got done today. So guess I'll see you later this week.